Hello friends, and once again welcome to my channel. Here I am again with you with a live horoscope case study. Recently I received a query from one of my viewer that I feel very lonely, depressed and helpless, always worried about my future. Will I come out of this situation? So this was the query, and to find out the answer, the KP rule for such types of query is if first house, which is known for ourself, first house also rules our head, third house, which denotes mental inclination, and fifth house of mind. So if first, third and fifth house sublord anyhow connected with sixth house, eighth house and or 12th house, and sun, moon or Mercury. Sun is known for general health, general well-being, moon for mind, and Mercury for our nervous system. So, and sun, moon or Mercury are afflicted in birth chart, then the person gets into depression in the DBA, that is Dasha Bhukti Antara of 6th, 8th, 12th house significators. And cure is available when Dasha Bhukti Antara of 1st, 5th and 11th house significators operates. So this is the basic KP rule for such type of query. Now let us see what birth chart indicates. Birth details given to me were 25 April 1990. The birth time was 1640 hours and the place is Degana in Gujarat. Judgment time is 23 October 2016, 21:14 hours at Ludhiana. Ruling planets at the time of judgment were Ascendant Star Lord Mars, Ascendant Sign Lord Mercury, Moon Star Lord Mercury, Moon Sign Lord itself Moon, Day Lord Sun, and being Rahu in Sun sign, Rahu will also consider as one of our ruling planet. Now let us see the chart. Let us see the house cusp. Here in this picture you can see planets and cusp. This is the table of planets and cusp. So here you can see the ascendant sign lord is Mercury, ascendant star lord is Moon, ascendant sub lord is Rahu. Now all these three planets are presented in our ruling planets. So no need to rectify the birth time. Birth time is almost near to the correct. Now ascendant star lord is Rahu. We have to check first house, third house and fifth house. Here we can see first and fifth house sublord is Rahu and third house sublord is Sun. So let us check what actually they are indicating in birth chart. So here this is the table of KP significators. Here we can see Rahu. Rahu is occupant of fifth house, which is known for mind, Fifth house also indicates cure. So the cure is promised. Definitely the person will be cured. Further, you can see Rahu is in sign of Capricorn. Let me tell you here in this chart, you can see here, you can see Rahu is in the sign of Capricorn and Rahu is conjoined with Saturn. So Rahu will strongly give the results of Saturn. So let us again see the KP significators. Rahu is being sign of Capricorn and also conjoined with Saturn. Rahu is indicating the fifth house of cure and sixth house of disease. So Rahu will give the both results, disease and cure. Both type of results will Rahu give. Further, Rahu is in star of Moon and Moon is the occupant of 8th house. Now Moon is in 8th house being lord of 11th. 11th house is again known for cure. Further, you can see Rahu is in sub of Mercury. Mercury again in 8th house. 8th house which is known for worst condition, worst situation. Mercury is the lord of first house. So being lord of first house, Mercury is in 8th house of worst situation. But being lord of 1, Mercury also confirms the cure. Now let us see the Sun. Sun is the occupant of 8th house. Again 8th house comes into the picture and Sun is the lord of 12th house. Further, Sun is in star of Ketu. Ketu is occupying the 11th house of cure. Further, Sun is in sub of Saturn. Saturn is again indicating cure and disease too. So here all the conditions of KP rule fulfills with this chart. And let me again point you one thing. Here you can see in this chart, as I have mentioned in KP rule, Sun, which is the general health, which denotes the general well-being, Sun is posited in 8th house being lord of 12th house. Further, you can see the ascendant sign lord is Mercury because ascendant is Virgo and Mercury is also posited in 8th house. Further, Moon is also posited in 8th house. So Moon is being the lord of 11th posited in 8th house. So again the KP rule here fulfills. Sun, Moon and Mercury, all the three planets are posited in 8th house. The 8th house is the worst of all. So that is why the person is having depression. This is the main reason that the person is having depression. Now let us see the Dasha, Bhukti and Antara. Now here let us first discuss the 6th, 8th and 12th house significators which are giving the disease. Here you can see the 6th house significators are Mercury, Moon, Venus, Saturn and Rahu. 8th house significators are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Sun, Moon, Mercury and Mars. 12th house significators are Saturn and Sun. Now here are the cure giving houses. First house Ketu and Mercury. 5th house Mars, Jupiter, Rahu and Sun. 11th house Sun, Ketu, Rahu and Moon. So these are the planets which will give cure and these are the planets which will give disease. Now here you can see Moon is presented in 6th house and 8th house significator. Moon is also presented in 11th house significator. So this means that moon will give the both results. It will give disease as well as cure too. Similarly, we can understand the other planets also. Now let us see the Dasha Bhukti Yantra. Here you can see the current Dasha is running of moon, which will run up to March 2023. As we have already discussed that moon is giving disease as well as cure. So moon will give both results. That means if disease is there, then cure is also there. Current Bhukti is running of Jupiter, and Jupiter is luckily 5th house significator. That means Jupiter will definitely give the cure and person will get healthy and fit very soon. So this is the final outcome of this query. Those who are learning KP astrology can erect the chart on their computer screens and can tally what I am describing in this video. Further, we'll discuss more and more about other KP live horoscope case studies. Till then, good luck and thank you for watching.